Hello out there, YouTube community. I have my third set of preparation for modifications to my car to improve its fuel efficiency. K&N got me set up with the correct filters, so we no longer have any air leaks or vacuum leaks in the intake system. Mass airflow is nice and secure. Breather is good. Got a nice secure connection on the throttle body. You'll see I have a coil pulled, and that's what I wanted to talk about today, in addition to the intake system. Now, if you're wondering why the intake system was able to improve fuel efficiency and improve horsepower and torque, the reason for that is it improves the mechanical efficiency of the engine. It allows the engine to breathe easier. All right. The ignition coils being upgraded is once again a modification that will improve the thermal efficiency of the engine, which will free up wasted horsepower. Now, to get the coils, you have to get a little creative, all right? I don't know if you'll be able to make out the Denso part number, all right? There it is. Okay, so there's an 8-digit GM part number, 12654078. All right. All right, now, that coil is a GM part number. You have to use your part numbers to find the coils for the 2015 Malibu 2.5 engine, because MSD does not officially make this coil for that car. All right, GM replaced that part number probably when the Malibu left, the 8th gen Malibu left production for the 9th gen in 2016. All right, now they all fall under 252-02791 for the GM part number. There is the Denso part number if you're just ordering replacement coils. All right, in order to find the MSD blaster coils with the 45,000 volts, you'll have to search for Traverse 2.0, Blazer 2.0 Turbo, Lacrosse Regal Torex, Envision Acadia with 2.5 engines. All right. So what it is, GM uses this coil on a variety of engines within the 4-cylinder engine families that they produced in these model years. All right. Now, since this is a universal, we want to make sure the electrical connection is correct. A lot of these electrical connections only fit one way. All right. Make sure the plug boots are the same. All right, you got to measure them up. In order to replace the coils with the MSD Blaster Series coils, you will need a T30 Torx bit and a 10mm socket, and that is it. The T30 Torx bit is for removing the engine cover. All right. And 10mm socket is for removing the bolt. I forgot to put dielectric grease on it. Now, these come with some type of grease in them. I've never seen anything like that before, but I'm going to put some of my regular dielectric grease in. All right. Okay, as you can see, got the dielectric grease in there. This coil is ready to install on the number 1 cylinder. All right. Now, they only fit one way, so now here's the best part about this modification. This modification will free up wasted horsepower in the engine with the fuel it's already using, and the engine cover will completely hide it, meaning I can actually build this car into being a sleeper. Because when you pop the hood, all you're going to see is an intake kit. Of course, it's not just any intake kit, it's K&N. And I got the old air filter out here so I can show you guys something really cool about K&N. My brother-in-law actually got me hooked on K&N products over 25 years ago with my 93 Grand Am that I could get over 500 miles on a 15.2 gallon tank of gas combined city highway just by having their air filter in my car. K&N products are proudly made in the USA with US workers. Me spending $300 on an intake kit gives an American a job so they can feed their family and pay for their kids' college and whatever else they do. All right? Maybe they go drag racing like I do. I don't know. What I do know is I give an American a job. Now, like pretty much anything else, a lot of this stuff, when you buy it from Summit Racing, you don't have to go to Summit for troubleshooting. You can go directly to the manufacturer. They'll put their information on there for you. All right? If you have any questions whatsoever regarding this modification or this video, feel free to drop a comment down in the comments section, and I'll gladly get back to you as soon as I get the notification. As always, thanks for watching.